Buckle up for an epic SUV showdown. Today, we're pitting the mighty Toyota Fortuner, a legend of luxury and power, against the rugged Mahindra Thar, the king of off-road adventure. From price to performance, comfort to capability, which one will conquer the road and your heart? Let's find out. Let's dive into a tale of two SUVs, each with its own character and charm, vying for supremacy in the rugged world of Indian roads, the Toyota Fortuner and the Mahindra Thar. Picture them as two warriors, one a seasoned knight clad in polished armor, the other a scrappy, fearless adventurer ready to conquer the wild. Their battleground? Price, performance, features, and the hearts of those who crave both comfort and conquest. First, let's meet the Toyota Fortuner, a towering figure in the SUV realm with a starting price of around 33.43 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. It's the kind of vehicle that commands respect, its muscular frame stretching 4,795 millimeters long, 1,855 millimeters wide, and 1,835 millimeters tall, with a curb weight of 2,180 kilograms. The Fortuner is a 7-seater, built for families or those who need space for friends and gear, offering a 296-liter boot and an 80-liter fuel tank. Under its hood roars a choice of engines, a 2.7L petrol, 164 brake horsepower, 245 Newton-meters, or a 2.8L diesel, 204 brake horsepower, 500 Newton-meters, paired with 6-speed manual or automatic transmissions. Its mileage, though, tells a humbler story: 10 kmpl for petrol, 8 to 14.6 kmpl for diesel, a reminder that its grandeur comes at a cost. The Fortuner's cabin is a sanctuary of comfort, with leather seats, a touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, and a 5-star global NCAP safety rating to cradle its occupants. On the road, it's a smooth operator, soaking up bumps with its rear-wheel or 4-wheel drive setup, but off-road? It's capable, yet not its truest calling. The Fortuner is the knight who prefers the castle's grandeur over the muddy battlefield. Now enter the Mahindra Thar, the rugged upstart, priced from 11.35 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, a full 22 Indian rupees lakh less than its rival. Compact at 3,985 millimeters long, 1,820 millimeters wide, and 1,850 millimeters tall, with a curb weight of 1,710 kilograms, the Thar is nimble. A 4-seater designed for those who hear the call of the wild. Its 600-liter boot dwarfs the Fortuner's, and a 57-liter fuel tank keeps it roaming. The Thar's heart beats with options: a 1.5L diesel, 117 brake horsepower, 300 Newton-meters, a 2.2L diesel, 130 brake horsepower, 300 Newton-meters, or a 2.0L petrol, 150 brake horsepower, 320 Newton-meters, mated to 6-speed manual or automatic gearboxes. Fuel efficiency shines brighter here, with 15 to 15.2 kmpl for both petrol and diesel, letting it stretch every liter further. Inside, the Thar is Spartan but spirited. Think touchscreen infotainment, adjustable seats, and a 4-star NCAP rating. It's not plush, but it's honest. On highways, it's competent, though its short wheelbase, 2,450 millimeters versus Fortuner's 2,745 millimeters, and stiff suspension make it less serene. Off-road, though, the Thar transforms into a beast, its 226 millimeters ground clearance and 4x4 prowess dancing over rocks and slush where others falter. The narrative shifts to their duel. Price is the Thar's opening strike. Its affordability makes it a people's champion, accessible to dreamers who want adventure without breaking the bank. The Fortuner counters with presence and versatility, its size and seating catering to those who need a do-it-all SUV for city, highway, and occasional trails. Performance sees the Fortuner flex its diesel muscle, especially in torque, ideal for towing or cruising, but the Thar's lighter frame and engine variety offer agility and thrift. Features tilt toward the Fortuner's premium comforts, yet the Thar's simplicity and off-road kit, like its mechanical locking differential, win purists' hearts. Off-road, the Thar writes its legend. In a muddy clash, think slushy fields like those in a 2021 video Showdown. The Thar's shorter wheelbase and grippy tires let it wriggle free where the heavier Fortuner sank. Yet, on a long family road trip, the Fortuner's spacious cabin and refined ride would have the Thar eating dust, its occupants cradled in quiet luxury. Who wins? The Thar is the hero for thrill-seekers, young explorers, or those on a budget, its off-road soul and low cost stealing the spotlight. The Fortuner, though, is the choice for those who want it all: space, status, and enough grit for occasional escapes, backed by Toyota's reliability. In this tale, there's no single victor. It's a saga where your needs, adventure, or ambition crown the king.